Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together. Time for our spelling quest. Can you hold the pose while we spell the word?
Yes, let's go!
Greetings, robot engineers. Welcome to the Robot Workshop Rumble. Today, we're going to build, fix, and launch our very own robots while stretching our bodies and our brains. Before we enter the workshop, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a spelling quest. Ready? Let's rumble. Step your feet wide and turn your right toes out. Stretch your arms out long like two sturdy robot arms. Bend your front knee and reach forward as if you are reaching for a tool on a high shelf to fix a broken circuit. Keep your back arm strong. Our first task is to repair the robot's arm. Can you spell repair? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that even the toughest robots need a repair now and then to keep their gears moving smoothly? Yes, you get it. R-E-P-A-I-R, repair. Again, R-E-P-A-I-R, repair. Bring your feet together and sit your bottom back into the air as if you are sitting in a tiny invisible chair. Reach your arms straight out in front of you and imagine your hands are pressing a giant glowing start button on the workshop floor. We need to push the button to turn the power on. Can you spell button? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that some robots have a reset button that helps them clear their memory and start fresh? Yes, you get it. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. Again, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. From your wide stance, lean your body to the side and rest your elbow on your knee. Reach your other arm way over your head, creating a long line. Imagine your hand as a powerful magnet, pulling a piece of scrap metal towards you. Use your magnet to collect the fallen screws. Can you spell magnet? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that many robots use a magnet to pick up heavy metal objects without using any fingers at all? Yes, you get it. M-A-G-N-E-T, magnet. Again, M-A-G-N-E-T, magnet. Step your feet wide and turn your toes out. Bend your knees deep and bring your arms up like a cactus. Now give me a tiny little bounce up and down, just like a coiled metal spring ready to pop. This robot has a giant spring in its leg for jumping. Can you spell spring? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that a spring stores energy when you squish it down and releases it when you let go? Yes, you get it. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Again, S-P-R-I-G, spring. Stand tall and interlace your fingers together. Reach your hands high above your head. Now exhaling through your mouth, swing your arms down between your legs, like you're swinging a heavy tool to flatten a piece of metal. Grab your hammer and let's fix that dented test plate. Can you spell hammer? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that a hammer is one of the oldest tools in the world, but robots still use them to build giant towers? Yes, you get it. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Again, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Stand on one leg and slowly tilt your body forward. Lift your back leg straight behind you and reach your arms forward. You are a sleek, shiny machine zooming through the sky. Balance steady. Our robot is turning into a rocket. Can you spell rocket? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that to leave Earth, a rocket has to travel faster than 17,000 miles per hour? Yes, you get it. R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Again, R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Sit on your bottom and lift your feet off the floor. Balance on your sitting bones and reach your arms forward. Try to hold your legs steady. If you feel shaky, that's just the motor vibrating. We've got to start the engine to get moving. Can you spell engine? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that the engine is like the heart of the robot, turning fuel into motion? Yes, you get it. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Again, E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Put your hands on the floor and step your feet back so your body is straight like a board. Don't let your hips sag. Imagine you are a shiny, flat piece of metal fresh out of the polisher. This robot is painted a beautiful, bright silver. Can you spell silver? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that silver is a metal that reflects light so well it's often used to make mirrors? Yes, you get it. S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. Again, S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. Stand with feet together and sit back into your chair pose again. This time, bring your hands together at your chest and twist your body to the right, hooking your elbow over your knee. You're twisting a giant bolt. Use the wrench to tighten the robot's neck bolts. Can you spell wrench? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that a wrench provides torque, which is a fancy word for twisting power? Yes, you get it. W-R-E-N-C-H, wrench. Again, W-R-E-N-C-H, wrench. Stand on one leg and place your other foot on your ankle or calf. Reach your arms up high and wiggle your fingers like antennae. You are scanning the room for signals. The robot's sensor is picking up a signal. Can you spell sensor? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that a sensor helps a robot see or feel things nearby so it doesn't bump into walls? Yes, you get it. S-E-N-S-O-R, sensor. Again, S-E-N-S-O-R, sensor. Step your feet very wide and keep your legs straight. Fold forward from your hips and place your hands on the floor. Look through your legs. Your back is flat like a giant computer monitor. Look at the screen to see the robot's code. Can you spell screen? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that robots often use a screen to show us how they are feeling, using digital emojis? Yes, you get it. S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. Again, S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. Stand up tall with your feet wide and your arms reaching out to the sides and up. Stretch your fingers and toes as far as they can go. You are glowing with pure power. Our robot is full of energy and ready to go. Can you spell energy? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that energy cannot be created or destroyed? It just changes from one form to another. Yes, you get it. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Again, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Great job, engineers. Our robot is built, spelled, and powered up. Now take a deep breath in and let it out. Feel your feet heavy on the floor. You are grounded, centered, and your brain is much stronger now. Thanks for joining the Robot Workshop Rumble. See you next time for our next spelling quest.
Let's go on a quest today. Time to learn and time to play. Oh, 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 yoga spelling quest. Move your body, do your best. Oh, 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 yoga spelling quest. Put your awesome brain to the test.